All right, so here we are, and today we're going to warm up with some riddles. So I'm thinking of something very cold and clear that melts when you take it out of the freezer. Ice, good. Okay. I'm thinking of something that has two wheels and two pedals. A lot of kids like to ride this. Bike, excellent. I'm thinking of a round dessert that can be made with cherries, pumpkins, or blueberries. I like it with sweet potato. Pie, good job. I'm thinking of the number that comes after 4. 5, good. I'm thinking of the opposite of a day. Night, okay. I'm thinking of something that brightens up a room when you turn it on. Light, excellent. I'm thinking of the opposite of left. Right. No, you're right. The answer is right. I'm thinking of what birds use their wings to do. Fly. Good job. Now tell me real quick, what sound was the same in all of our riddles today? What sound did we use in answering our riddles that was the same for all of them? Yes, the sound I. And that's the sound we're going to look at today. Let me find my page. All right, good. So listen, I'm going to give you some examples of words. I want you to repeat after me. And all these words have the I sound. Let's start with I at the beginning. Ice, item, idea, island. Good. All right, so here's some words that have it in the middle. Bike, nice, sign, time. You hear the I sound? Yes. All right, now these words have the I at the end. Remember, you're repeating after me. Pie, fly, tie, try. Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some words that may or may not have the sound. You're going to give me a thumbs up if you hear the I and a thumbs down if you don't. All right, let's go. Pine. 5. Cat. 10. Dine. Bed. Line. Lane. No, those don't have the I. Lane does not have the I sound. Okay, so now, just like we did with the A and the E sounds, we're going to look at how to spell it. Now that we have the sound and we know how to hear it, let's look at how to spell it. So this sound, the sound is I, like in bite, it's spelled I-E. So again, with that magic ninja silent E, it is a split digraph, so 2 letters, 1 sound, and the E is not next to the I, it's separated by another letter. So we call that magic. That's a little magic, and the ninja, yeah, because I now says its name. Okay, so let's practice with some words. It's in your cat book on page 6.1. We're going to do it together. So like the first one is done for us. We're going to tap out this word. In. Pen. Once we sprinkle some magic on it, we hear ein. Pine. The same number of sounds, but we now have an additional letter. And it is part of that split digraph. And I keep busting through because it's split. There's a letter in the middle. So here's the I, here's the E. Here's something in the middle, but I says its name because they work together. All right, so here are some examples we're going to work through together. If you have your book, if you don't, pause and get your book. It's on 6.1. All right, our first example is kit. It. Kit. Let's write it out. K-I-T. kit. So if I add a silent magic E to the end, and the I now makes the I sound, so instead of it, we have ite. What's that word? Kite. Good job. Kite. Let's spell kite. So we hear K, I saying its name, T. Is that how you spell kite? No, we need to complete our split digraph and add the E, which is linked, connected to the I. Connected to the I. Next we have, I'm going to give you the taps for in. Fin. Good job. Fin. Okay. Let's spell fin. In. Fin. Oh no. Hold on, guys. I'm not going to tell you what it was. Shh. All right, so fin, we want ein. I. So the I, we want I. I'm being extra with my mouth, so I want you to see the letters. So, I, n. Fine. That time I wrote it where I wrote in the E before the N because I was writing it based on the sound. But when we write, normally we go straight across the letters and we add the E where it splits off at the end. Okay? The next one I want to do with you is sh, in. Shin. This right here, front of your leg, that's your shin. Notice this is longer because it is a connected digraph. Those two letters that are making the one sound, but they're touching, they're connected. So both of them go in that one line because it's one sound. In, shin, shin. So shin becomes shine. So shin becomes shine when we add the E. Now I'm going to show you an extra bonus word because this is one that sometimes people mess with. Someone get some mix up. We're going to actually put it between 3 and 4. We're going to write shiny. Shiny is a whole separate word with a whole different spelling, and we'll learn about the Y making that sound later, or like a lot later, like second grade later. So shin to shine. All right, my next example, listen carefully, slid, slid, slid. So the sl is a blend. They're smushed together, but you can still hear the s and the l. So it's 4 sounds. So s, l, id, slid. If we sprinkle a little magic to create our split digraph, 2 letters, 1 sound, we now have I'd, slide. All right, last one. Last one, the word. Let me tap it and give you the sounds. In. Spin. Another blend. 2 letters smushed close, but you still hear them slightly separated. In. And when we sprinkle a little magic and create our split digraph, we have our spine. And I'm turning around because you know where your spine is. It's your back. It's your backbone. So, spine. Spine. Good job. Spine. Excellent work, guys. All right, so remember our sound for the day is the sound I, like you hear in bite, spelled E. I'm sorry, I-E. It's a split digraph. They're working together to make one sound, but there's something in the middle. Something in the middle. So we have a new sound. Yay! And this is our finished product, which leads us to your assignment. Which leads into your assignment and what you're going to do with this information. You're going to complete PP19 as an assignment. Yep, Valerie made up. You're sorting the words. If they have it as in bit or I as in bite, you're sorting the words, and then there'll be some sentences for you to complete using these words. And then we have another story today called The Swim Meet. You already know. I'm partner A. I got you. There's your partner A. You need to be your partner B or find someone else to help you so you can read and you can answer these questions. But that's all we have for today. Till later. Bye.